4. I love this one. I imagine some comments will come. The standard determines the minimum amount. I'm going to say that again. The standard determines the minimum amount each parent is expected to contribute to the support of their children. Everybody, welcome back. Kyle Kaufman, attorney at hkklawoffices.com. Today I'm coming at you with a great video for you on 5 things you have to know about child support. If you're in Wisconsin, you're going to love this, guys. Hey, if you like this channel, please like, subscribe, leave comments below. All right, let me get into this. So child support is a controversial thing, whether you're receiving child support or you think you should be getting more child support, or you're the person paying support and you think you're paying too much. These things, these 5 things you have to know about child support in Wisconsin. I brought some notes today, guys, because I want to get this right. I'm taking this directly from the what we call the DCF 150 guidelines. It's put out by the Department of Children and Families, okay, and here in Wisconsin. Now, here's what they have to say about child support. Here's number 1, okay. It says that the law in Wisconsin requires the department to adopt and publish a standard to be used by courts in determining child support obligations. That standard is to be based on a percentage of the gross income and assets of either or both parents. Key point there, guys, gross income and assets of either or both parents. That's number 1, okay? Now we're really gonna get into it. The percentage standard, that's the amount you're gonna pay, is established based upon an analysis of national studies, including a study done by Jacques Vandergog as part of the child support projects of the Institute for Research on Poverty by the University of Wisconsin-Madison. It's entitled On Measuring the Cost of Children. And that discloses the amount of income and disposable assets that parents use to raise their children. That's important because a lot of people say, well, how do they come up with these numbers? Well, there's one answer. Number 3, here's what you have to know. The standard's based on a principle that a child's standard of living should, to the degree possible, not be adversely affected because his or her parents are not living together. In determining that percentage of a parent's income and the potential income from assets that the parents contribute towards the support of the children if the family does not remain together. Okay, so again, the backdrop is, hey, child should not suffer because 2 parents are not living together. That's one of the basic backdrops here. Number 4, I love this one. I imagine some comments will come. The standard determines the minimum amount. I'm going to say that again. The standard determines the minimum amount each parent is expected to contribute to the support of their children. I emphasize minimum because I know that most people that are paying child support come to me and they say, boy, that's a lot of money. I can't make it. How am I supposed to pay child support and meet my expenses? The standard in Wisconsin is saying this is the minimum amount we're expecting you to pay for your child. In another video, I'm going to talk about other things that you may be ordered to pay in addition to child support. Here's the last point that you have to know about child support in Wisconsin, okay? Number 5, the child support guidelines expects that the custodial parent, that's a parent receiving the money, shares his or her income directly with their children. And it could be the payor too, I guess. But it also presumes that the basic needs of the children are being met. All right, so the idea is you're getting child support. You should be using the child support for the child. It presumes that, but the courts in Wisconsin don't require it. There's no accounting of it. There's no annual reporting of what you spent your money on. It's just a presumption that the person getting the money is going to use it on their children. Those are 5 things that you need to know about child support in Wisconsin. If you want to dig deeper on that, call me. Call my office. Get a hold of us, hkklawoffices.com. We'll dig down deeper with you on these issues. We'd love to talk to you. We'll see you guys here next time.